Historically, when you hear mold and mildew when it comes to a front load washing machine, everyone's always going to go straight to that front boot and gasket, also known as the bellows, on the machine. This was a huge problem in the 2010s. Most of it's been remedied, but now with the introduction of automatic dispensing systems, we are starting to see mold and mildew build up and grow here on your detergent tray, as well as the housing around it within the machine. Mostly because of the water jetting through that tray to pass that soap down into the drum. You're going to have residual water sitting up there, and when people do not leave this tray open at the end of the day, that's where mold and mildew can grow. The moisture is in there and it can't evaporate. At the end of every cycle, not at the end of every cycle, at the end of every day of washing, the machine should always look like this. Detergent tray cracked, door cracked. You want air to be able to pass through all those cavities. The maintenance on a front load machine, typically in the user manual, is going to call for running a washing machine cleaner about once a month, once every 30 cycles. Every brand is different. You should reference your user manual. But a good golden rule would be once a month. A lot of times you'll see the active washing machine tablets be thrown into the machine itself. This machine, as an example, the GE offers a self-clean where you don't need any topical agents. If you don't want to do any of those things, a good rule of thumb is going to be putting some white vinegar into the tray and allowing that to be the cleaning agent. This is going to help clean out not only the detergent tray, the water lines leading to your drum, the drum and the gasket, but also is going to encourage the entire cavity around it to get clean. Once that self-cleaning cycle runs out, it's always a smart idea. Pull your detergent tray out all the way, set it into your kitchen sink, laundry sink, whatever, upside down. Let all that water get out and dissipate. Let it air dry out all the way. Going into the surround is extremely important. This is the main place that we're going to find mold and mildew, especially on automatic dispensing machines. Grab yourself a nice rag. You could even put some white vinegar on that rag too. You're going to mostly be going in there blind, but you want to get every nook and cranny on the interior of that detergent tray, only because water is going to splatter during the detergent dispensing process and all throughout the wash, as it's going to continue to be pulling water into the machine and dispensing it out. You want that environment to be clean. You want it to be dry. It's not going to be dry during the cycle, so you need to let air flow. Doing this about once a month is probably going to eliminate any chance of mold and mildew happening in your front load machine.